going on, guys? BQAGGIE back again to bring you a CnC Mail Day. This should be the results of a group break that I joined, mixed like 9 or 10 box group break or what have you. And I got the New York Rangers. So let's crack open this little card case thing and see what we got. All right, triple diamond, black diamond of, let me focus here. I keep forgetting about that. Okay, triple diamond of Henrik Lindqvist. A double diamond gold, numbered 3 of 10, of Chris Drury. So that was nice. I think that's a case hit for the gold cards. Triple diamond, Marian Gaborik. And then an SP game used rookie to 699 of Evgeny Graichev. Yep. And then a 2010 Panini Limited Material Phenoms rookie, card number 213. It's an autographed patch rookie card of Derek Stepan, or Stepan. So that's nice. And then last up, hit from the cup is a, let's see. This is from 0910 NHL SP Game Used Authentic Rookies. 1 of 1 black printing plate of Bobby Sanguinetti. 1 of 1. Everybody knows about these. So, but that's it. Those are my hits that I got for drawing the Rangers in a mixed box group break from CnC. So not too bad. Those are all available for trade or for purchase if you want to dish out a little bit of green. But that's it. That's my mail day for today. Thanks as always for tuning in. Please go check out CnC.com. They are truly your one-stop hotspot for all of your card collecting needs. And that's it. Thanks as always for tuning in, and we will see you guys on the flip side. Take care.